Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a printer on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and you want to select Settings. Go ahead and select Bluetooth and Devices on the left panel, and then on the right side you want to go select Printers and Scanners. Select a printer that you want to go ahead and delete and select the remove button. Are you sure you want to remove this device? Select yes, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.